I think the people that should consider this program are people that are thinking about getting into medical device, biologics, or pharma, or if you're in the industry and you want to broaden your skill sets. Maybe you've been working in an engineering role and you want to look at having more options to move to other areas such as quality assurance, regulatory, or clinical. This program will help you get into those areas. It'll give you the skill sets and knowledge that you need to be considered for those areas, and also it'll just make you better positioned to become a leader, such as a project manager or even a department manager. The advantages this program has given me and will give me is, first of all, having a Master's of Science degree sets you aside from many people. Most people in my industry only have bachelor level degrees, so that already sets me aside to have that. And having had the coursework in statistics, project management, organizational behavior development, and just the overview of all the regulations that are gone over in the program for the different areas. I'm not siloed to just one industry. I'm not siloed just into medical device or biologics or pharma. I have an overview of each and every one of them. And that, in culmination with my work experience, makes me really valuable to an employer. So the instructors in my program were very well connected in the industry, especially our program director who taught some of our courses. She had worked in the industry 20-something years. She had a lot of contacts. She brought in so many directors and VPs of different companies, from biologics to pharma to device. She brought in people that were involved with the FDA on a regular basis. We even had an FDA speaker come to one of our classes and discuss topics that were emerging within the FDA. It was just an amazing experience to meet so many people and network with so many people throughout the 2 years of the program. The way the classes were scheduled worked really well for me while I worked full-time. Actually, during this program, I managed 35 people in 3 different departments, and I had class 2 nights a week. Sometimes I had class on the weekend, like one day, and sometimes I had an online class, but it never was to a point where I felt I couldn't manage everything. Some semesters were tougher than others, but overall I was able to manage my work and deliver at work and be able to have some work-life balance along with school. I won't say there was no sacrifices, but it definitely was doable, and I definitely felt it was worth all the effort. I would say to anybody who would be watching this video that this program is definitely worth your time and your money and your effort. It's manageable. It's not going to take up your whole life for 2 years, but for every hour that you put into it, you're going to get so much out of it, and you'll be amazed how much you're going to learn and come away with at the end. And I think it'll just open opportunities for you in your career and make you a much better leader and a more effective quality regulatory professional, and just open your doors in the industry.